Okay, so need some help. Nothing. I don't know what this is for, or this one. All torn apart. It still won't start. I don't know why. Won't even jump start. When I do this though, it'll actually try to start, but I don't know what exactly is wrong. It's a 2001 Honda f4i. Well, F4. And I just can't get it to run. All the wiring looks alright. I know this goes to the tank. I was wondering also what this brown wire underneath the tank goes to, and the other one off of it also. If the hose to this piece needs to be connected, this one right here, because it does not reach. Thanks.